Lecture 10. Working with Stamp Tool. Introduction to the Stamp Tool. Hello everyone. Today we're learning about another cool tool in the Tux Paint, the Stamp Tool. This tool lets you add fun pictures and stickers to your artwork. Let's explore how to use it. After learning this lecture, students will be able to use the Stamp Tool, create projects using different stamps. Get ready to make your drawings even more fun. What is the Stamp Tool? The Stamp Tool is like a collection of rubber stamps or stickers. You can choose from a bunch of different images, like cars, airplanes, or even animals. You can also make the stamp bigger or smaller, depending on how you want it to look. For example, here's a cute penguin stamp. Exploring stamp categories. You can also use the left and right arrows to find even more stamps. There are categories like animals, plants, outer space, and vehicles. Try scrolling through and see what stamps catch your eye, placing your stamp on the canvas. Once you pick a stamp, like a penguin, click on it and move your mouse around the canvas. Find the perfect spot, then click to place the stamp right there. It's as easy as that. Adjusting the stamp size. Want to make your stamp bigger or smaller? Use the size control tool at the bottom to change the size of your stamp. You can make it tiny or super big, whatever you need for your artwork. Mirror image tool. Here's something really fun. The mirror image tool. It lets you flip the stamp from left to right. Just click the mirror button and your penguin or any other stamp will face the other way. Practice. Make a colony of penguins. Let's practice using the Stamp Tool. Try making a whole colony of penguins. Place different penguins all over your canvas to create a group. Thank you for being here today. See you in the next lecture.